Please leave a like to the video and subscribe or
Hi guys, I just wanted to get it out to you. In my last video, I explained how, my YouTube channel and stuff, so, yeah, nothing really got out. So, anyway, I just like to talk about stuff, so, um, in this second video, I'm going to be talking about just randomly picking things here, be about video games and stuff. And so, how about some random thing like cats? Yeah, cats. Cats. No, cats. Oh my gosh, cats. I used to love them. Actually, I do I love cats. Anyway, but the thing about cats is, they do. Ah, well. Cats. Cats. Well, I guess there's nothing wrong with cats. But let me tell you something. Long ago, I had this cat. His name was Earl. And so, yeah, we'd be together all the time and stuff. But he was like one of my favorite cats. You know how long I've had him? Yeah, you know how long I've had him? Oh my gosh. It's been so long. For 14 years. But now he's dead. In the grave. So, yeah. I guess that's it. Thanks for listening on today's video. Today's very short video. I wish it could be longer. Thank you.